Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at the Real Loverlee. And as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a #1 balloon mosaic, and also I will be reviewing this glue gun that I got from this amazing company on Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. So I got this glue gun. They sent a power cord and also 5 glue sticks to get started with. It's a freestanding glue gun which has a silicone nozzle and an extended trigger. So basically I could plug in the power cord and let it preheat, and then I could basically take the power cord out and use it without it being plugged in. I really like that it can do that, because my other glue gun I have to keep I can't unplug it. I have to keep it plugged in and use it as I go along. That's why I always use my extension cord. But with this glue gun, I could remove the power cord. I could plug the power cord in, turn it on, let it preheat, and actually just remove the power cord and then use it. And we will see how long I can use it before it starts cooling off. So I really like that it can do that. And to finish my project, I'm going to be using a X-Acto knife, my ruler, which is somewhere around here, right here. My ruler, and also my cutting mat, and a lot of foam board. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be talking about the glue gun as I go along because I've never used it before. So this is my #1 that I already cut out from my template that I bought online. I will also link that in the description box below so you guys will know where you can buy the balloon mosaic template. So I bought the template, I cut it out on my foam board. I use a 40 by 60 inch foam board. You can find them in any Hobby Lobby basically. So you can do that, or you can buy the smaller foam boards and tape them together, which is more work. These are like $9.99 each. It's 40 by 60. So you could just cut out the whole letter or word. You can cut out the whole letter or number from one foam board and then use the rest of it to, finish off your mosaic. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the glue gun so it can be hot by the time I'm ready to start putting my mosaic together. So I'm putting the power cord in, and I have an extension cord so I don't have to plug it all the way over there. So I'm gonna let that preheat, and I love the fact that it is freestanding. Okay, so for my mosaic, I'm gonna be cutting out a couple 6-inch pieces of foam board so I can use it to make my box. So I have one already, so I use this as guide to cut out some more. So because it's a #1, the side is like straight, so I don't have to worry about cutting the foam board right now or bending the foam board. So I'm gonna just start with the easy pieces, which is the sides. Then I move on to the curves and the shorter spaces. I'm gonna move on to using my longer glue stick so I don't have to keep on filling it, because the ones that they sent me, they're like short, but I like using the long glue stick so I don't have to continuously put in glue sticks in there. But so far so good. This is coming along exactly how I wanted to. So as you can see already, this side is done. So I'm gonna move on to up here. So since up here is not as long as this piece of foam board, I'm gonna have to cut it. But instead of just cutting it to this measurement, I'm gonna cut it so it could just curve around to the top and also a little bit down here. You know, you guys will see. I don't like wasting foam boards, so I have to measure right here and then I curve it right there. So guys, I measured this little length right here and also on my foam board. I don't want to cut it off all the way, so what I'm gonna do, if you guys know how foam boards are, they have like a really soft middle and then a hard, two hard ends. So I'm gonna cut on the line, but I'm not gonna cut all the way through. I'm just gonna cut to the middle so it'll bend, and I can start curving it to go along this side. So that's what I'm gonna do. You have to be really careful because you don't want to cut it all the way through. So you're gonna press down lightly on press down the X-Acto knife like really lightly, so you don't cut all the way through the foam board. And then see how it bends. It didn't cut all the way through, so now I can use this side to go along here. And let me measure that to make sure that it's accurate. And of course it is accurate because I did it. So now that I did that part, I have to make sure that it bends and go along the curve of the number 1. So instead of cutting it off, I'm gonna be doing the same thing like I did for the edge right here, so the foam board can bend. So I'm gonna just mark where it stops right here. Mark right there where it stops, and then use my ruler to draw a line to make sure that I don't go beyond that point. Right there. Then I'm gonna start making lines just like this one. I'm not making it all the way through. I'm just gonna be making lines so I could bend it and make the curve for number 1. Guys, so as you guys can see, I use my ruler so I could make light lines so I could bend the foam board. I didn't cut it all the way through because I don't want it to come off. So I did that, so I have the curve for the curved piece of the number 1. So this is one of these foam boards, and instead of just cutting it into pieces to fit these measurements, I did what I did. you can see, guys, my mosaic is coming along. I'm almost finished, and I really do feel like, no, this won't be enough, but I'm gonna have to cut another piece so I can finish off. Or maybe it is enough. It is enough, so yeah. And this glue gun is amazing. Like, it heats up so fast already, and when I can't stretch it long enough, I can just unplug it and it'll still be hot enough for me to glue my foam board and put it together. So far so good. I'm really loving this glue gun. Be sure to check the link out in the description box. It's on Amazon and it's really affordable too. I think it's like $19, $20. Guys, so this is the structure of my #1 mosaic. It's actually not finished yet because I have to add some stands to the back so my client will be able to put some weight on it when the balloons are stuffed in there, so it'll be able to stand on its own. It's okay right now because it's very light, but when the balloons are in there, it's gonna be a little heavier and it'll like lean forward or lean backwards. So that's why I have to put the stand on the back so she can put some weight on it in order for it to stand. But so yeah, the next video after this will be of me stuffing my mosaic, so you guys will have an idea of how it is to stuff your balloon mosaic structure. So please subscribe, click the like button, and also comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And don't forget to go and check out the glue gun. The link is in my description box below. You can order it from Amazon and it's available for Amazon Prime as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace.